Hey, what's going on, guys? Zach here from CodingMadeSimple.com, and welcome to the brand new version of CodingMadeSimple.com. So here you're seeing it. This is the home page, and I've actually been gone from YouTube for a couple weeks, and that's just because I've been working on this website. Me and a team have been really working hard on it, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys what I've been doing. The idea for the website is still the same. So we have these different courses now, but everything's just improved. So everything's more streamlined, everything is easier. You're not going to get confused looking around the website like what happens here, what happens there. You can go ahead and go into the Wizard Top-Down Shoot 'em Up course, enter in your email address. Pretty straightforward, everything is there for you. You can go to your portal, and this is where you actually view the units. So like the Game Maker Studio 2 Beginner Game Design course, here are all the units. So once you buy the course, then you just go to the portal and you can go ahead and start watching them. And then we also have recent tutorials here. So this is basically just an article system that I originally had in my first version of Coding Made Simple, but that didn't really work out because it just wasn't optimized to handle videos. So here we have a Game Maker Studio 2 portals. It's got a full rating system about the author, and then you can go, to the next post. And then this will be filled in much more once I get more tutorials out there. All right, so all the new tutorials that are going up on this channel, you'll be able to see them here. So if you ever miss out on one or something like that and you want to see, go ahead and check here, check the YouTube channel, whatever you'd like to do. So it also has a search. So I would like to convert all of my other tutorials from the entire YouTube channel onto here. We'll see if we could do that. That does sound like a lot of time and a lot of effort for, I don't know how many people will really like this option, or if it's just kind of something there that people can quickly look up. So yeah, that's basically it. So here's the website. I like it. I hope you like it, and go ahead and check it out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next tutorial. Peace.